Expands from 12.5, -22 inches wide to maximize space in any cabinet. Includes 10 adjustable dividers to organize pans, platters, plates and lids. Heavy-duty, steel wires protect cookware and prevent scratches. Non-tip base and non-slip feet keep lids, pans in place. 1-minute setup, no tools or installation required. StoreMore Expandable pan lid rack stands items in a tidy row, so you can see, not stack, your favorite cookware. Adjustable dividers are strong enough for skillets and platters but fit little lids too. When cabinets are organized, you'll feel like a pro. Top reviews from the United States. Easy setup, extremely customizable. Finally, a cupboard organizer that works. I set out to find an organization solution when I realized I was avoiding making certain cooked, baked goods because it was a pain to dig for the right pan. I decided on these based on the reviews. Best decision ever. I had originally purchased 3 and once they were filled up, I immediately ordered 3 more. They are awesome. Such a simple design yet they're very stable, and the flexibility of spacing setup makes it super customizable for whatever your needs are. The setup requires placing the M-rod things into little holes along the sides. I placed one end in and then gently squeezed the M to get the other end in. I have arthritis and had no issues in doing so. It doesn't take much pressure or strength to get them all in. I originally left off the one-end rod at the back end which worked well, but I found the items were more stable with rods on both ends. All the units purchased are the 50056 model for lids. They worked great for all items I placed in them. While I didn't really gain any extra space once I was done, I did gain easy access to my pans. Gone are the days of emptying the cupboard to find the one pan that inevitably was located at the very back bottom of the stacks. Pictured are my before and after photos. The contents of the cupboard remain the same, except for the pitcher and egg keeper which didn't belong in there anyway.